Hey, what's going on, guys? GoMacaKins here. Last video we've embedded our addMove function into the move generator, so from now on our generate moves actually populates the move list, and we also print our moves to screen, which is good obviously. And I just forgot one little thing before we start implementing our make move function. We also need to separate this sort of a code into a print move list function. So let's actually implement this print move list function in this video. So the very first thing to consider, I would like to open the terminal in the current working directory, and by typing make, I'll just compile the source, and if it compiles, I just want to run my hexadecimal 88 binary executable that would be produced by the compiler. So let's have a look. Okay, perfect. And now let's just grab this sort of a code here and just want to cut this, and here I just provide the function called print move list. So void print move list. Well, probably like this would be enough, or okay, I'll give another underscore. So print move list, and this function is gonna take the moves data type pointer to the move list like this, and from now on we can just paste the code in, and this should kind of work. Okay, so I want to give a little indentation here as well as here, probably making total moves from the capital, and let's kind of try to print our move list. So print move list, and the move list as an argument here. So I hope this is gonna work. Yeah, this works literally the same. The only little thing here, probably we could have shifted this move slightly a bit, just to match the overall board indentation. Yeah, so one more space there. Okay, so here we get our move list, perfect. And one little more thing to consider, you know, like we didn't yet implement our printing our flags, and this might be incredibly useful in order to debug the move list, in order to debug the move generator. So apart from this sort of a move list from square into square, I would also like to print some promoted piece if available, because at this moment it's not gonna be printed really. And also I want to print some flags as well. So in order to do this, I want to say, so I'm gonna be providing the new line feed there, but instead I can say printf, and now I would like to print, okay, this string here, and I would like to use the ternary operator to distinguish between the present and absent promoted piece. So we can say get move promoted piece, and pass the move into it. So in case if it is actually available, in this case we want to print oh my god, I forgot this name of the appropriate structure here. So character pieces, no, it's not that, promoted pieces. Yeah, we want to make use of the promoted pieces. So promoted pieces, indexed by this stuff here, copy and paste, and otherwise I just want to print the empty string, literally nothing there. So I hold my breath, try to compile and run this again. Okay, probably just forgot to put the semicolon at the very end of the print statement. Okay, what else? Whoa. Pointer mismatch. You kidding me, man? What's going on here? Okay, if I just, I don't know, just specify some characters, is this gonna work? Nope. Pointer integer type mismatch. I'm using the ternary operator. What kind of pointer mismatch is he kind of talking about? I'm really wondering. Okay. If I just set it to 1, which equals true, is this gonna be the same? Oh, get move promoted piece. That was just the wrong name for a macro. Get move piece. Yeah. Why did it consider it to be promoted piece? It calls just get move piece. Save. Yeah. Okay. Also, we want to print a new line after. Okay. So yeah, now we don't want this 1, so empty square, just an empty character, so nothing there. Okay, and if I now I just want to slightly change this tricky position, copy, and just to avoid doing this again, just want to say like parse fen and the fen string, and I just want to put, well, say white pawn here. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't put the pawn. I'm really wondering what did I do wrong there. Oh, probably I didn't delete the pawn. Yeah. So pawn. Now this is really getting interesting. So where is the problem here? Yeah, probably it does. Okay, so I'm trying to reference the get move piece. So let's try to search for this get move piece. Okay, and promoted pieces, copy, and okay, so well, if this doesn't map, I just want to make sure that it at least can print a decimal a decimal representation. So decimal and the new line. So just to try to catch this issue particularly. So if this get move piece returns true, this means that we have a promoted piece being available within the move. So I just want to print this move, otherwise print 0. Okay, let's give it 0 like integer. Okay, so we got all the zeros, right? Okay, and here we got the indexes. Now why on earth this indexes caused the segmentation fault? I'm just really wondering. So we're promoting like to queen, yeah, to queen, to rook, bishop, and knight, and the same for capturing the queen. Even though king capture is not allowed, but this would be left to the make move function to distinguish this things. Okay, I'm really wondering why I can't use these indexes within the promoted pieces. This is so weird. I should have been able of doing this. Okay, so this should be a string. Okay, so he gives me a warning. Okay, it expects the character pointer, but oh, sorry guys, so not the string, this has to be a character, obviously. Yeah, of course. So now we get these promotions getting done, so to comp promotion, quiet promotion to queen, rook, bishop, knight, and the capture promotion to queen, rook, bishop, and knight. Try to capture the queen, even though it's not possible, but still, just it works now pretty nicely. Okay, so here I can say like this, I guess, right? Oh, it's not a low, right? And well, 0 seems to be, it seems like it was working quite pretty nicely. At least it's not printing anything, which is a good news. So I will probably drop this like this here. Okay, now I will get rid of this new line again, because from now on we want to print our flags. So here we'll have the flag for, or hold on a sec. Yeah, we need to make just several spaces there, and here flags would be. So can I make this as a one line? Okay, get, move, capture, and then get, move, pawn, which stands for a double pawn push, and move, and then get, move, and enpassant, move, and finally get, move, castling. Castle or castling? I just don't remember how to call that. Let's have a look. Get, move, castling. Okay. So get, move, castling. Okay. Don't forget the semicolon. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the new line. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay. Oh, sorry, a little typo here. Canceling, and it takes the move, obviously. Okay, so now we got our flags available, and yeah, now we also need to distinguish between those that have. So maybe we can simply, so if it doesn't have a promoted piece, we just can insert an empty space there. Yeah, now it looks much better. Okay, perfect. So also we need to provide the header for this sort of a table. Let's try to do this. So right over in here we can printf. So this would be kind of print table header. Yeah, it's almost like Python web scraping that I've been doing on Komaki Games channel. Okay, so here we can say like move, and then we have then we need to list the flag. So it seems to be quite pretty self-explanatory that the promoted piece is the part of the move itself. So capture, and then what we have there, double pawn move, push, Okay. Enpassant and canceling flags. Okay. Yeah, I will probably, yeah, also we obviously need this new line here and some indentation at the very beginning, probably the new line before would be nice to have as well. So okay, also one more new line. Okay, and now I just want to move this flags appropriately. So it's not really that great to have this within the single line, but still I think this is just quite pretty fine. Oh, I guess the exact indentation, perfect. So here, okay, so one more. Well, okay, so we need, so how many indentations here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, seems like 8. So let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, pawn push, and now 8 spaces here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know what, guys? I believe it's really worth spending your time on prettifying this stuff, because it's really easier to debug stuff, to debug things later on when you have all this data being presented appropriately, because otherwise it's incredibly difficult to achieve, basically. Okay, so pawn push is a little bit too long word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, enpassant as well. So I just need to make them slightly kind of less there. So how to call this double pawn push? Oh my god, hold on a sec. It's even worth. So this is already enpassant, this is canceling. Okay, so well, maybe if I just can make it like only double. So just to know this is it. Okay, well now at least it looks better. So enpassant, we can make it like this. Okay, and one more step for canceling. Okay, yeah, now I like this much better, really. So yeah, now it's more readable, definitely. And we have this total moves equals to 55. Yeah, because I've added this extra pawn here. Okay, so I like this really much more compared to how it was initially. And let me just get back to my initial tricky position. Save. So should it be 48? Okay, yeah, great. And the very last thing to consider, so just to make it more logical regarding the function layout, I just want to grab this print move list from here and place this somewhere along with the print board and the print attack square. So we got this print board, then we got, well, reset board is not the one. So where do we have this print attack? Oh, it's actually located after print attack square is located right over here. So probably it's better just to put all the print functions at the very beginning there. I'm just wondering, is this still gonna work? It should have, basically, in theory. Save. I just need to check this out, obviously. Okay. yeah, and I also want to put this print attack squares back there, just right after the how it's called, print word, right? And here, save. So I hope it still compiles and runs. No warnings. Oh, hold on a sec. Ah, well, this is a little bit of a disaster. So square attacked. Yeah, so the last idea is not that great. It's not print board, print attack squares, print attack map actually. Yeah, it's good to oh god, I forgot the word. Not to inspect, but I forgot the word, sorry. Well, it's good to go back to your code to check if the commentaries match, basically. Okay, so anyway, at least we do have our print move list. Just write our print after our print word, which is nice. So print move list. Well, I really don't like that. I can't really put that print attack squares function here as well, but yeah, unfortunately I can't do that. Well, okay, so let's drop it just like as is. Probably, well, this is that attack print and the attack squares map is not essential for a chess program. It won't be ever used. You can make use of it just only just in case, if you suppose if you're going to use this engine's source code to write your own chess engine. That's the only purpose why I'm still keeping it. If this was gonna a production version of the engine, I would definitely get rid of the function because it's not really taking part in the game like that. Okay, so let me check this one last time. Probably this is literally enough already. So print move list function seems to be just perfect. Well guys, this is it for this video. I hope you've learned something interesting out of it. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, and take care.